Bodyweight training versus weight training. Is one better? Bodyweight training and weight training are two different types of training. Bodyweight training is a type of exercise that uses your body weight for resistance. Weight training is a type of exercise that uses resistance equipment to increase muscle mass and strength. Bodyweight training has seen a rise in popularity in recent years, as it is an effective way to develop strength and tone without loading the joints with heavy weights. Weight trainers have been using this method for decades, but now many people are becoming interested in the benefits of bodyweight exercises. Both methods have their pros and cons, so it's important to know what you want from each workout before choosing one or the other. Let's get started. Weightlifting and its benefits. Weightlifting is a type of exercise that involves the use of resistance to create an external force that moves a weight. Weightlifting is an important component in any physical fitness program. It can be used to develop strength, muscle mass, and endurance. Weight training has been around for decades and still remains popular among many people today. Weightlifting is one of the most popular forms of strength training in the world. Weightlifting can be done for many purposes, such as improving athletic performance, increasing muscle mass, or maintaining a healthy weight. Weightlifting has many benefits for people of all fitness levels, but it is especially important for those who are in the early stages of their fitness journey. Next, we will discuss the benefits of weightlifting and how it can help you achieve your goals. It keeps your bones strong and healthy. Weightlifting is an effective way to keep your bones strong and healthy. It helps you keep your bones strong, prevents osteoporosis, and helps in the prevention of other diseases. Weightlifting can help you maintain a healthy weight by burning calories. It also helps in improving bone density, which is essential for a healthy lifestyle. Weightlifting is not just about building muscles. It also offers an opportunity to improve overall health and prevent other diseases such as cancer and heart disease. It staves off disease. Weightlifting is a great way to stave off disease. It can help people to maintain a healthy weight, improve their bone density, and prevent injuries. Weightlifting can also be used as a way to improve one's mood and reduce stress. It is especially effective for those who suffer from depression or anxiety disorders. Boosts metabolism and fat loss. Before we move on and discuss in detail how working out boosts metabolism and helps in losing body fats, if you've enjoyed the video so far, consider subscribing as we frequently upload such informative and educational videos. Let's continue. Weightlifting is a great way to boost your metabolism and lose weight. It also helps increase your muscle mass, which can help you feel more confident about yourself. In order to find the best weightlifting routine for you, it is important to know what type of exercises you are looking for. For example, if you want to build muscle mass, then you should focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. If your goal is fat loss and toning, focus on isolation exercises like bicep curls and triceps extensions. Regulates insulin and lowers inflammation. Weightlifting helps to regulate insulin and lowers inflammation. The effects of weightlifting on the body can be seen in many ways. It can help you lose weight, build muscle, prevent injuries, and maintain a healthy body. When people first start weightlifting, they are often told that they should lift heavy weights in order to get the best results. But it is important to remember that you should always lift light weights initially until you build muscle strength. Then gradually increase your weight as your muscles grow stronger and more efficient. Improves strength and endurance. Weightlifting helps improve strength and endurance in many ways. It can help you gain muscle mass, increase bone density, and provide more energy during workouts. It also helps with joint stability and mobility. It is important that you know how to lift weights correctly for your body type so you don't hurt yourself or do too much damage to your joints. Bodyweight training and its benefits. Bodyweight training is a form of training that involves the use of your own body weight. It is used to strengthen muscles and improve performance in sports, as well as for rehabilitation purposes. Bodyweight exercises are a great way to get fit without the need for expensive equipment or gym membership. However, if you want to use them for sports-specific training, then you might need some additional equipment such as dumbbells and a stability ball. Bodyweight exercises are used by athletes to get stronger and faster during competition. They can also be used during rehabilitation after an injury or surgery. The benefits of bodyweight training are numerous. It can be done at home or in gyms by using a variety of tools such as a pull-up bar or resistance bands to enhance the workout experience. Builds balance and flexibility. Bodyweight training is a workout that can be done anywhere at any time. It is the perfect way to build balance, flexibility, and strength in your body. Bodyweight training combines a wide range of exercises like push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, and more with various bodyweight exercises. It helps you build flexibility as well as strength. People who are new to these types of workouts will find it easier to start with a shorter workout routine for beginners. Gives you freedom. Bodyweight training gives you freedom. It's a phrase that we hear a lot. But what does it really mean? Bodyweight training is the new trend in fitness. It's an exercise that doesn't require any equipment or gym membership. You can do it anywhere and anytime. It means you can have a flexible routine that works for you and your schedule. You can do this at home, in the office, or on vacation. Works for all fitness levels. Bodyweight training is a form of exercise that is gaining popularity in the fitness industry. It allows for a more natural and sustainable method of weight loss and a great way to improve your health. Bodyweight training is an effective way to lose weight without any equipment, without spending time on cardio or any other type of high-impact exercise. It can be done anywhere, at any time, and there are many different variations that you can try. Bodyweight training has been shown to be effective for all fitness levels, from beginner to advanced, with no equipment required. Bodyweight training versus weight training. Is one better? Many people believe that weight training is better than bodyweight training, but it depends on the person's goals. In most cases, weight training is a superior option to bodyweight training. However, there are some instances where bodyweight training can be more effective. Weight training is a superior option in most cases because it allows for greater muscle development and strength gains. However, bodyweight training is more effective in certain scenarios where you need to focus on endurance and flexibility rather than muscle development and strength gains. The two types of workouts have their pros and cons. Both are good for people who want to build muscle strength, but weight training can be more effective for building muscle mass, while bodyweight training can be more effective for building cardio endurance levels. Share your views on this video with us in the comment section below. We will be happy to read them. If you found this video informative and enjoyed the content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button as well. We would really appreciate this gesture. Thank you for watching.